seeing early signs of bleaching. Nearly every species that we monitor has at least some bleaching. Some of them have more, some less. We also checked our temperature sensor network out here, and the temps are up about 3.5 degrees. And also we set up some fish camera traps that'll let us not only see what the corals are doing, but what the fish are responding to. What's really important here is that we're taking these measurements, connecting them to our aircraft data, and then connecting them again to the satellite data. And that lets us scale up to see the big picture, to get the truth about what's going on here.
This is a map of coral bleachings around the Hawaiian Islands, and we can see that some areas are blue, where we don't expect any coral bleaching. As we get into green and yellow, this is where we expect to see coral bleaching. And then the reds are we expect to see severe coral bleaching. And this is widespread, 100% bleaching of most corals. So as a scientist, I am particularly concerned about those areas. Those are the areas that were hit hard in 2015, and they're still recovering. And so the fact that these are some of the best reefs in the state, and they're already 5 years later experiencing some of the worst coral bleaching conditions, and where we're already seeing coral bleaching, is a major concern.
Right now we are in a very critical situation. The corals are bleaching here. We're in the very midst of a warming event. This is just a 4.2 acre park, but we welcome over 400,000 visitors a year. So important for the visitors to be educated with a sense of aloha. We share with them what to do and what not to do as they enter the bay. For instance, avoid stepping on the corals or feeding the fish, or keeping a respectful distance from the turtles, at least 10 feet or 3 meters.